people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to tell you guys about the Sephora credit card. So I got a comment saying, hey Rickita, can you please do a review on the Sephora credit card and also try to do the shopping cart trick. Now I tried to do the shopping cart trick, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get the shopping cart trick to work for this credit card. I'll try to ask a few more people on my team to try to see if they can get this credit card, the shopping cart trick to work with this credit card, and then I would update you guys later. But I did see that multiple people got approved for this credit card. So I see someone got approved for a $6,000 credit card. They got approved for a $1,000 credit card. They also, somebody else also got approved for just $500. But I definitely want to show you guys this credit card because you guys have options of getting a store card, or you can also get the Visa. So I definitely want to go over all the details about this credit card. So let me start off by saying that this credit card is with Community Bank. So Community Bank is usually easy to get a credit card with them, and they're going to pull your Equifax credit report. So make sure you guys make sure your credit report on Equifax, you don't have any negative items on there. And also make sure you keep the balance on your credit cards when you're applying for something with Community Bank, because that's what they're going to look at. Now, when they come down to the Sephora credit card, you guys are going to get 15% off your first purchase when you open and use your account. And think about it like this too. You know, you see how they say you can, when you use your Sephora credit card today, you can actually get that 15% off within 30 days. So you don't have to do it today, but you guys have 30 days to go ahead and get your 15% off. And then you guys are going to earn 4% back in credit card rewards. So every 4%, every time you use your credit card with Sephora, on the Sephora website or in the store, you guys are going to get 4% back. So that's good. You're going to get that back in rewards. So that's $5 in rewards for every $125. So that is really good, you guys. Now, I see a lot of people, when they apply for this credit card, they did ask them, they said, hey, give us 7 to 10 business days and then we'll contact you. When they contacted them, they wanted them to verify their identity, which means on your letter, it'll say, hey, give us a call so we can ask you a few questions. They're going to ask you like your address, your past address, like just verify your information. As soon as you verify, they'll let you know, hey, we got you approved for the regular Sephora credit card, or they can say the Visa credit card. But they'll let you know, and you can have a temporary card as soon as you get approved after you talk to someone. So don't get discouraged if they say 7 to 10 business days. Now, you guys will earn 1% back on in rewards. So that's for people that got the Visa when you use your credit card outside of Sephora. So it's kind of like other credit cards that give you 1% back. Only thing is, all your rewards are going to be Sephora rewards. They're not going to be like cash back. And you guys will also earn $20 as a credit card reward when you use your credit card and spend $500 outside of Sephora in the first 90 days. So that's kind of like a low reward, but it's still a reward. You spend $500 outside of Sephora in the first 90 days of approval, then they'll give you that $20. Do not keep a balance on this credit card though, you guys. If you keep a balance on this credit card, and I mean, like you're just paying a minimum balance, you spent $300 and every month you just paying $25, you're paying so much money in interest. So make sure you guys do not keep a balance on your card. That's the only reason why they tell you to do this. They want you to have a $500 balance, so it's hard for you to pay off, and you're going to end up paying back the interest, which is going to pay back that $20 plus more. So make sure you guys don't keep a balance on your card. But again, you guys are going to get that 15% off of your first purchase, and that's within 30 days. You're going to get that for both the regular Sephora credit card and also the Visa. You guys are going to earn that 4% cash back. Well, I'm not say cash back, the 4% back in rewards. If you guys use your card, the Visa or the regular store card, you're not going to have an annual fee. So this could be a card that you can just keep forever too. I always tell people, if you have an annual fee on your credit card or on a credit card, don't try to keep that credit card. Sometimes you may want to upgrade it and get a better credit card, because that annual fee, especially when you had it for a while, you keep paying for it and you just losing money with that annual fee. You guys will have exclusive card member only rewards if you have the store card or the Visa. And when I had Victoria's Secrets, that means that we got like certain discounts everybody didn't have. We have certain coupons. So you guys are probably going to get that same thing. Now, these next rewards is only for people that get the Visa. And again, when you apply, you don't know if you're going to get the store card or the Visa. So just keep that in mind. They're going to give you whatever they think that they should give you based off your credit score. So you guys are going to get 1% back in rewards on purchases outside of Sephora. You guys are going to get that option to get the $20 in rewards when you spend your first $500 outside of Sephora, but that's within the first 90 days. You guys are going to have tap to pay. You guys are going to have access to emergency cards, replacement, and lost and stolen card reporting. And then you guys will have zero liability. Now, one thing, if you guys do get the Sephora credit card, like the regular store card, they can look up your membership in the store. Just make sure you have your ID if you don't have your credit card on you. So just keep that in mind, you guys. Now, if you want to apply for this credit card, make sure you guys click right here where it says apply now. So let's go ahead and look at the application. I don't know if it's going to be a full application. I guess they want you to register for Sephora first to even get the credit card. I actually have the credit card here. I'll make sure I put this website down. If you want to apply directly through Community Bank, it's their system directly instead of going through the Sephora. So let's go ahead and click apply now. Actually, it's taking us back to the credit card website. So let's go ahead and see. You guys have to, it seems like you guys have to create an account with them. So if you already have your Sephora account, go ahead and log in. If you do not have your Sephora account, you do not have a Sephora account, then go ahead and register and then apply for it. So I guess you got to do both. You have to go ahead and register to be a member of Sephora, which should be free. It should be free for this. And then after that, you can go ahead and apply for the credit card. But they ask for your first and last name, your email address, ask for a password, phone number. They ask for your birthday because you guys are going to get that free gift on your birthday. I love that. And then they want to ask your zip code so they can know like which stores is near you. After you fill all this out, then you can get into the application. But definitely let me know what you guys are actually approved for. Let me know also, like, if you don't get approved, what was your score so other people can know to kind of don't get that hard inquiry. Don't forget, they are going to give you a hard inquiry on Equifax. So make sure it's your Equifax credit report. That's really nice. So if you guys have any questions or you guys need help boosting your credit score, removing negative accounts from your credit reports, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.